expected to create the library database, right? The library needs you to create a database of the books that are on loan, right? Let's find the question paper. Let's display it. The question paper first. What is it? Show me. Yeah. Okay, this one. Mm-hmm. And we have the library one, yeah. All right. So you could say, if you are a student, you put the ID number, yeah, and the name.
But Anthony, just use everything for Anthony before I forget. No. Go. No,
You want?
Go Anthony. No. Yeah. Anthony. Yeah. O-N-Y.
Anthony Agbabi.
You created a folder.
Yeah. Now inside there we are going to create a database. Yeah. For create a database of the books that are on loan. Yeah. So right click new and Microsoft Access Database. Books on loan. That's funny. Okay, and we open it. Yeah, that's the best way of creating it. At that. So it's created with the right name in the right folder, right? There is no confusion with that. And here, if we open the actual question paper in the electronic copy, because we are going to make reference to it here. Remember, yeah, we are recording as well. Yeah. All right. So we are going to create a database of the books that are on loan. Yeah, and we are going to use a file that's given. Yeah. The data type needs to be set all correct. Yeah. We'll spend time only on the important parts of the data type. You are, yeah. And then we have to do this query. Yeah, this query. We need to. Yeah. We have to create a report, but before we do a report, we need to do the query. All right. And so what we need to do is, this is a database. We need to import it. Where do we go first to import? External data, and then text file. Yeah, import it. Import it from the folder. So from here, which ones? Loan books, right? Import the source data into a new table in the current database. That's what we want to do. Yeah, so click OK. It's delimited characters such as comma, or it's delimited with what? With comma. And first row contains the field names. Yeah, and next we could set the data type here. For example, we could say we want this to be dates. Date this time, but if we no primary key, we want to do it ourselves. If we finalize it, finish it, and once it opens, this is, if we go back and change the date due back, this date and time, yeah, and then we have all the others. The currency, the price has to be currency. You have to get the data type and the field size right, but I'm gonna leave that for you. But the next part is to do the query, right? We are going to look for those that are use the database to create a report of the books that are overdue, as they were due back on or before. So the due date less than or equal to this. So, all right, we close the data as a table. We have imported the data, by the way. Data is here. Now to create the query, click on create, and we want to create using the design, which is this one. Add and highlight all the fields. Yeah. Date due back less than or equal to. Yeah, less than or equal to. Yeah, I copied earlier. Alright, so 01 04 2015. Okay, and that is we need to save it first, I would say. What name shall we give it? It is overdue report, isn't it? Yeah. So we'll type out overdue report. Overdue books. Okay, with that date maybe. We say it. Okay, we run it. Yeah, when the data type is correct, you get the right result. Yeah, so we can then do a report based on it. Report wizard. Yeah, so you pick all the fields, you show whatever you want to show, and yeah, so this is the report. You could make it landscape so that it shows better. You can go to close print preview, view layout view. You can resize them so that it looks nice and crispy. This is just to demonstrate when you put your head down to it, you can just edit as you want. To the students.
So we just use the form wizard to just create the form.
The report, yeah. The report wizard, yeah. So
but what did they
yeah,
say
but you need to select which fields, you know, too many.
But which fields they say we should pick there? Let's
they have said these ones. Okay.
in the report, which includes those names.
So with that, we have book title, right?
Go to wizard.
Publisher is not needed, so we design view. So publisher is not asked, so we can remove that publisher. ISBN number, author is asked.
Author is asked.
Book title, ISBN number,
title,
price,
initial,
no.
Price.
ISBN title, initial, and surname. Even date due back.
Yeah, is there of the person who has borrowed the book and date due back.
Yeah. So you don't have to, you know, if you want, you can show the date.
Yeah.
Leave it. Let's leave it there. Okay. So with that, you get a better report, a better. So you can do another report now. With that selected, if you do report. Oh, all right. Create again report wizard. Yeah, there are many ways. I was experimenting with another one.
So this one gives you the template.
Oh, it can give you like this. Yeah, it can give you like the other one. Yeah.
Let's take it the other way now. Take it back.
Yeah, you just have to create again.
Go to
tabular, like a table. View, layout view. Alright, view, design view. Oh, this is a form, by the way. I made a mistake.
Well, you went to 4.
Yeah, form.
Oh.
Tabular.
I
Yeah.
see. So
You can
let's see the
adjust.
overview. Let's see the overview. Yeah, the heading, the heading.
Layout view is easier. You can make it smaller.
Hold that back.
Okay, so
Go
that's
to the top. Go to the top. Expand that.
yeah. You will do that.
Yeah.
You will do that.
So save
Okay,
that.
so save that. Yeah,
So where is the report saved?
it is there.
That's it.
Yeah. Now let's.
Let's check. What is it? Are we through with that?
Yeah, we are
So
through.
you just print everything.
Yeah, you need
check
to do.
that
You know how to do the screenshot, so I'm not going
yeah,
to.
yeah. Let's format
Yeah,
it.
print out
Format
of the
it
report
correctly.
showing overdue books in
Have you
ascending
checked
order.
your work formatted correctly?
Yeah, that's what we are.
Okay,
In ascending order, we didn't do, but you know how to do that ascending order
yeah. In
when you do the report.
how you just go back to that. Let's see the ascending order.
You can always.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No.
Sort. No. Right. No. To use the name. Use the name. What did he say you should sort in ascending order?
In ascending order, so ascending
Yeah.
oldest
Of
to
course. Yeah.
newest to oldest. So this is yeah.
Newest to oldest.
Yeah.
Is that in ascending order?
Yeah, because the oldest is the one that takes.
The
Yeah.
last bit.
But with the date, it's confusing, isn't it? Yeah. They could expect one or the other.
That's the current date to the last date.
Yeah.
That's ascending order. Okay.
Yeah.
But if they say use any name, so but
Yeah.
you're using the same criteria.
Yeah. Yeah. Now let's do the next one.
Okay, save that. Yeah.
It's saved automatically. The librarian needs you to use a mail merge to send letters to only the people who have overdue books.
Yeah.
You have been given the letter. You have also been given a logo to include. I'm gonna leave that for you.
No,
Yeah.
well, let's do that.
Okay.
That's why we're just gonna do it. So
He
copy
wants
it.
the library. Oh.
We'll be going soon. But you get it.
Okay.
When are we supposed to leave college? 8.
I have to catch my kids before they sleep.
Okay, let's do even miss it. Let's do that mail.
Especially today, you have to go early, isn't it? Yeah. So the librarian needs you to use mail merge to send letters to only the people who have overdue books. You have been given the letter. You have also been given a logo to include. You want the librarian address inserted in the footer. Yeah.
He wants the library
Yeah.
address.
Yeah.
Inserted
So
in the footer.
yeah. So we will use a copy of the letter. Yeah. We'll go through it, but we're making it perfect. All the logo and the footer and all that. Yeah. We'll leave it for your students to do, right?
Why?
Because
Let's
it will
copy
take.
please. Don't worry. The logo is simple. Don't worry. I've tried to copy. The logo is even big, sir. Good. Open that. Save. Now. Paste. You see the address? They want it in the footer wall.
Oh, what did they say?
Go back. It says, look at it. He said they want it in the footer. Let's see. Did you see what they said?
He wants the library address inserted in the footer.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a matter of copy and pasting.
Yeah. Copy the whole of them like that. Or put it in one line. What are you doing? Footer, yeah? Okay. Yeah. are we still going to have the address up there?
I think it should, because it's and
Okay,
this one you need to go to paragraph and remove the before and after the spacing, so that it's yeah. Insert today's date.
Which is the day.
Dear title, last name you need to do, yeah? And then you need to put all those things in the right places, right? Yeah.
Which ones?
The title, last name, book title, we need to merge them, yeah? So we need to merge this document, yeah? We need to merge this document with with the data, with the list, yeah? Okay, so because the report earlier, if you remember, we have 3 data, so we want later to be sent to those people, yeah? Those who didn't, who did not return the books. So we go to mailings and style mail merge, and we want a normal Word document.
Normal Word document.
Yeah, that's is the best. Yeah, this one. So we say this is a normal Word document, and select recipients. Use an existing list, because we want to point to the database. We close it. It doesn't, because it's going to access it, because of concurrency. We need to close it. We need to go to that folder, right? So we
what did we call it?
So all right. When we go inside, it shows us which item do you want. Do you want the table, or do you want the query? Yeah, we want the query. Yeah. So we select that. So they are now linked to each other. There is a relationship between the two. Okay. So now the title, we want to go and get it from the title. Insert, merge field, title. Ah, brilliant. We leave one space and insert merge field, surname. Alright. And the book title, insert merge field, title.
No, not that title. Not that title. Book title.
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry.
Insert book title at the top.
Yeah, yes, you are right. Absolutely. Insert author. ISBN. Okay, so what happens? This is the next step. Putting the fields. After putting the fields, you need to finish and edit individual documents, and you want all of them. How many pages do you get? 3 pages. So this is the result of the mail merge. We have done the mail merge. You need to print out the merge letters to people with overdue books. Print out of unmerged letter showing all merged fields. All of those. This one.
Okay.
So you need to print this one, and then you need to
print the letters.
Yeah. So that is. So what we have done so far, we created the database. Yeah. We imported the data into the database. The data we imported is loan overdue. Yeah. And we.
It's only the logo we didn't put, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Open up the logo. You see how big it is, so that you tell me what to do. That's the logo there. If we're just gonna copy the logo as it is and put there.
Yeah. Okay. Insert picture.
Put all files. Can you see that? Press enter and move that down. Just press enter to move that down. Are you putting that head or what?
All right, but we have created the database. yeah, imported the data into the database, and then created the query after the table,
Created a form,
created the report,
yeah.
and then we did mail merge to link to the query.
Thus the person has done
Yeah.
13 marks and 18
Yeah, so
marks. You see?
So that is level 2 functional skills
Yeah, save that.
for the library database, for the library mock.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.